Welcome to ChinaSecurities.com and Chinese Stocks TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of Chinese small and mid-cap space at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great Chinese investments. Friday, March the 26th. As typical, Fridays are slow news cycle days. Today, not an exception, but we do have one great press release for you, and it comes out of Humboldt, Wedag, trades on the big board, New York Stock Exchange, KHD. This is a company that's trading about 670 at its 52-week low last year, closed yesterday at 1450. What are the numbers? They put out their fourth quarter and full year figures. I'm going to give you the full year, but I do know from the fourth quarter, revenues are up 42% just for the quarter. Full year revenue, $576 million. Net income, $40.7 million. That translates into $1.34 per share on a diluted basis. That also includes some restructuring charges. Given the fact they closed at $14.50, you're talking about a company that's trading just under 11 times earnings. Pretty cheap, relatively speaking, given the fact that they're growing their top line and bottom line so quickly. Plus, listen to this, you got a powerful balance sheet here. Cash and cash equivalents, $420 million. Don't know what that translates into on a per share basis, but if it's a significant portion, then you're buying the company's operations for cheap because you're getting cash for the rest of your purchase. Working capital, $370 million compared to $280. Shareholders' equity, $320 compared to $262 million last year. And what I really love here, look at these ratios. KHD's current ratio, 2.01. Long-term debt to equity ratio, 0.04. That's powerfully strong balance sheet ratios. Really like everything I see. They did announce in Q1 the intent to restructure the company into two distinct legal entities, and what they're planning to do is give shareholders on a prorated basis about 26% of the shares of its German subsidiary. Doesn't look like that's been done, so go take a look and more details about that. But otherwise, closed at 1450 yesterday, 671 on the 52-week low, 1610 on the 52-week high. So it looks like they're just bouncing off of that. Great results out of KHD. That's a wrap as always. If you look for more great Chinese small and mid-cap companies, and you've got to get to ChinaSecurities.com. Three things to do there. First, watch this video every day on the front page or through our syndication partners at YouTube, Google Video, iTunes, whatever's most convenient for you. Two, best press releases coming out of the industry, separated by industry, are right on the front page. So if you've missed a few days, you can catch up on what the best of the best news is. No fluff. And finally, get yourself into the directory. Over 250 of the best small and mid-cap companies that we're tracking. These are Chinese companies trading on North American exchanges. You can separate that and filter that list by industry and or exchange, so you can quickly find the one that best suits your portfolio. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you on Monday.